Want to build your first membership area in ClickFunnels but feeling a bit overwhelmed? You are in the right place. In this beginner-friendly ClickFunnels tutorial, I will walk you through the entire process of creating your very first membership area, step by step. By the end of this video, you will have a working membership area that is ready to share with your audience. And if you would like to skip the heavy lifting, we've got a done-for-you membership area framework linked in the description. It's free when you create your ClickFunnels account using our special link, which also gives you an extended 30-day trial instead of the usual 14-day ClickFunnels trial. And it comes with everything you need: a pre-built membership area, a sales funnel if you want to charge for access, a product setup, and a full tutorial to guide you through it. Check the description for all the details. And now let's see how to build a membership area in ClickFunnels if you decide to do it on your own. In the new version of ClickFunnels, we need to use a feature called Courses. If you use ClickFunnels Classic, you may know that there it was called a membership area. While it's called differently, at its core it's the same functionality with some extra features if we compare it to the membership area feature in ClickFunnels Classic. If you don't see the Courses section on the left here, click the plus icon or Add Apps, search for the Courses card and click on it. You will see a button that says Add to Dashboard, and you will need to click on it to add the section to the dashboard here. Then you can open the section and click Create Course to start creating your membership area in ClickFunnels. The process is quite straightforward. We just need to follow the instructions that we see on the screen, and ClickFunnels will walk us through all the steps that we need to create the membership area. Here you can choose between a simple course, a drip course, and a custom one. I will go with the custom one and click Next Step. In this step, we should set the title for the membership area. You can also already add some description and add an image. But if you don't have those ready yet, no worries, you can always go back to the settings of the membership area and enter this information later or update this information later. We click Next Step. And just like that, we have our membership area created, and now we can add some content to it. But first, let's see what we have on the dashboard here. You will see the image that you set for the membership area. You can copy the link to your membership area to later share it with your students. You can preview the membership area, change the status. In the settings of the membership area, you can update the title and the description, as mentioned before. You can select if you want to send an enrollment email, which I recommend you to do, and we will cover it a bit later in the video. Same as on the dashboard, you can change the status of the membership area, change the path URL, select a different theme and the image. Also make sure that you go over these settings and configure the behavior of the membership area in the Customer Center because they are connected in ClickFunnels. First, you need to select if you want to show this membership area in the Customer Center as a product, if you want to show it to non-members, if you want to enable the comments, which is useful to do, if you want to redirect to the full course, and if you want to generate the completion certificate. In the advanced settings, you can change the look of the membership area, but in the beginning, I don't recommend you to do it. I would recommend you to go with the default view of the membership area, and only after you get comfortable using ClickFunnels and you understand where to change different settings, you can play around with that. You can also share the link to the structure of the membership area and select to which URL you want to redirect users who attempt to access your membership area without having necessary permissions. I will update the settings because I changed a few of them. Next, we have a few tabs here. In the Outline tab, you will see the structure of your membership area, and that's where we're going to build our membership area. In the Members tab, you will see all the members that have access to your membership area, and you will be able to access their profiles. In the Access tab, we can select a product that will unlock access to this membership area. You need to do it if you want to sell access to your membership area, and I will show you how to do it later in the video. And in the Customize tab, you will be able to turn on the advanced customization for this membership area and change the look of this membership area. But again, I wouldn't recommend you to do it in the beginning. I would recommend you to go with the default view for now. With that out of the way, we can go back to the Outline tab and start creating the structure of our membership area. To start adding the content, click Add New Module. While it's called a module because everything is pointed towards the course, you don't need to write here module 1. You can just write a title for a specific section of your membership area. For example, sales funnels. Then you can add a description and also add the module image. Click Create Module. And then you have a few ways how you can add further content. You can either click this button, Add Content, and either add new module or add new lesson, or you can go here and add the content to this specific module. You can either add a submodule or a lesson. Let's add a lesson. And again, you don't need to call it lesson 1 as you may do in the course. You can just give it a title that will describe the content that you will share in this specific area. Now you can either go ahead and add another module, or you can just click this icon here and select Duplicate Module. Then we would rename the second module, click the icon here and click Edit Module. And I write Facebook ads, and let's assume I would want to talk about Facebook ads in this part of my membership area. Click Update Module. You can easily rearrange the modules and the lessons. You can hover over this area and then just drag and drop this module up here and do the same with the lessons. Now that you understand how to create a structure of your membership area, let's talk about how to edit the content. To do that, either click on the name of the lesson or click this icon and click Edit Lesson. You will see the settings of the lesson on the left and also the area where you can enter the lesson content on the right. First of all, you can change the module to which this lesson is related. You can do it instead of moving the lessons manually. Then you can change the title. Let's do it. You can also use AI Helper here to enhance your titles and also the description. And now let's cover how to add content to the lesson. First of all, in the settings of the lesson that you can see here, you can add a lesson video and audio file. These files will be hosted in ClickFunnels. To add a video, click on the icon here. Either select a video from your library or upload a video from your device by clicking on the link here. And just like that, this video is added to your lesson. Save and reload. And we can go back and preview this lesson. You can either preview the whole course or click the icon here and click Preview. When you try previewing the lesson or the course for the first time, you may see an error like this that you don't have access. It's quite easy to fix. You should go back and make sure that you have the lesson that you're trying to preview and the module published. And of course the course. So we publish this lesson and the module. Publish now and enroll all existing users. And the course is already published. Now if we try to preview the course, we actually be able to see it and access the content. On the left, we will see the structure of our membership area and the video that we added in the settings of the lesson. As you can see, the lesson template already has the Mark Complete button and also shows the title of the lesson. Now I want to point out, when you add a video or an audio file in the settings of the lesson, you don't need to add a video or an audio element in the editor section here. As you saw, the video will be automatically shown in the lesson section. Now, if you want to add a second video or any other elements to your lesson, you will need to use this editor part. We can start by adding a new section with one column. Let's say I want to add a second video. I search for a video element and add it to the page. In this case, the video will not be hosted in ClickFunnels, and you will need to go to the settings of the video and paste the video URL. I will paste a link to one of our YouTube videos, and as you can see, it appears on the page. Let's also add some other elements. Click Add Element, You may also need to add some text, search for a paragraph, and then you can add it here. We will increase the top margin, align it to the left, and you can of course update the text of the paragraph. You may also need a list. Click Add Element, search for list. Here you go, the bullet list is added. And let's say you also want to add some images. We will add a new row with 3 columns. And then you can add 3 images in these columns. I search for an image element. Then click on the element to open the settings. To add an image, click this icon. And you will be able to either upload an image from your device or add an image from the gallery. And you can do the same for the other rows. Now let's save the changes and preview the lesson. We should have 2 videos, then text element, list, and an image. On top we have our lesson video that we added in the settings. Then we have the second video that was added as a video element, the text, the list, and the image. Another thing that you may need in your lesson is to share some resources. Let's say you want to share a link to the Google Doc, or you want to share a PDF document that your students should download. There are multiple ways how you can do it. Let's delete this row. First of all, you can transform a specific text to a link. To do that, select the text. Let's say it's these 2 words. Then click on the link icon. Then paste the link. You can select the color for the link. And select if you want it to open in a new tab, and then close this window. This way, these 2 words are transformed into the link. And the second way how you can do it is to add a button. Click Add Element, search for a button. Then click on the button element to open the settings. Go to the button action. Select Go To. And again paste your link. If you want, you can select Open in the new window option. Let's save the changes and preview. Now if I click on the link in the text, it will open the window with the file that I linked. And if we click the button, it also works as expected, showing the document that I linked to the button. And then your students will be able to download the document. If you want a faster path to launching your funnels and products in ClickFunnels without having to figure everything out on your own, check out our ClickFunnels course. Inside, I will walk you step by step through how to build funnels that convert, automate your follow-ups, build a course, a community, use other awesome ClickFunnels features, and launch with confidence, even if you are not tech-savvy. Whether you're a digital marketer, coach, content or course creator, this course is built to save you months of guessing and help you launch your products faster without the tech overwhelm. You can get the course for free when you use our link to start your extended 30-day ClickFunnels trial, or if you already have a ClickFunnels account, you can get the course separately. Either way, the links to the trial and the course are in the description. If your goal is to launch your products faster and without tech issues, this is the shortcut you need. Now that we covered all the basics on how to add content to your lessons, you can go ahead and create the structure for your membership area and also fill some lessons with the content. After you're done, you have multiple ways how you can publish the content. You can either select Publish and select Publish Now or in the future. You can select the drip access and also log the modules, which would mean that the students would need to finish a specific module that you define here before they can access this module. Another important feature that you can use to automate some actions for your membership area is Quick Actions. You can find it if you click on the icon here. You can think of quick actions like small workflows. You can create a quick action, set a trigger, so which action starts this workflow, completes course module, and then select what should happen. And as you can see, there are a lot of actions to select from. You can send a Message Hub message, you can send an email, remove or add a tag, add a note, and many more other actions. You can select something that makes sense in your workflow and for your students. Let's say I want to add a note. I click Add Note and write something that will make sense for my flow. What is also cool about it, later on you can build upon this quick action by converting it to the workflow and adding other actions that you want to perform with the contact. The next thing that we need to discuss is how users will get access to your membership area. If your membership area is free, like the one that we have created, you can just share a link to the membership area. Users will be able to create an account and sign up for your membership area. However, if you want to charge for the access to your membership area, there are a few more steps to do. To set everything up, go to the Access tab. First, we will need to connect a product to this membership area. You can either create a product. If you have never done this yet, please watch the tutorial on how to create a product in ClickFunnels that will walk you through the whole process. Or you can select an existing product, and that's what we are going to do. I click Select Product and select a course product that I want to attach to this membership area. Click Save. You can see that the tag is now changed to Paid Course instead of Free Course, and in the Product section here, we see the product that is attached to this membership area. Now, whenever somebody purchases this product, they will automatically be given access to the membership area. And step number 2 that you need to do is to go to the funnel where you want to sell the access to this membership area. Select the page where you're selling the product. Click the icon with 3 dots. Click Add Products. Add Product. And again, select the same product that we have just connected with the membership area. In my case, it's the course product. Once again, the flow would be whenever somebody buys this product on this page to which we attach the product, they will be automatically given access to the membership area because we also attach this product to the membership area. By the way, if they request a refund, their access to the membership area will be automatically revoked. The next thing that we need to discuss is how you can give access to the students, to the contacts, to your membership area. There are multiple ways how you can do it. The first one we have just discussed is via purchase. Whenever somebody purchases the product, they get the access to the membership area automatically. But there are also other ways how you can do it. The second way would be to give access manually. You can do it if you go to Customers, Contacts, then find the contact that needs to get access to the membership area and click on the name to open the settings of the contact. Go to the Enrollments tab. Click Add Enrollment and select the membership area to which you want to give access to. Click Save. And last but not least, you can also share access to the membership area using a workflow. You can find workflows in the Automations tab. Workflows. This method is useful when you want to give free access to a membership area, but you still don't want to do that manually. You can automate the process using the workflow. Let's say you have an opt-in page, and whenever somebody opts in on this page, provide their contact information, they get access to your membership area. In this case, you can set up a workflow like this. A trigger would be an opt-in on a specific funnel page. And then you just need to add an action. Click the plus icon. Select Enroll. And then select the membership area to which you want to give access. Click Create Step. Then you need to enable the workflow. And just like that, you eliminated the manual step of sharing access or sharing links to your membership area. And the last thing that I want to cover, and that you may be wondering about, how exactly your students or your customers will get access to the membership area. Do you need to send a specific email? Do you need to notify them in some way? And thankfully, this process is also automated in ClickFunnels. No matter which way you select to enroll users in your course or into your membership area, if you enabled the enrollment email in the settings of the membership area, people who received access to your membership area will receive an email with the link to the sign-up page to create their account. I already showed you this page before. Once they create the account, they will be able to then log in into your membership area and access the content that you share with them. And if you want to see what email your students receive when they get access to the membership area, you can go to the Workspace Settings, System Emails, go to the Courses tab. Here you will see all the emails that are associated with the course, and you can go to the course enrollment notification, click on the edit icon, and then you can preview and, if needed, edit the email about the access to the membership area. By the way, the email will already include the link to the sign-up page for your membership area. You don't need to paste any links manually. And that's it. You now know how to set up and manage your own membership area in ClickFunnels from scratch. If you want to speed things up, don't forget you will find the link in the description to grab our done-for-you membership area. Just import it into your account, update the content, and you're ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications to not miss our future tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.